Have you ever felt like all the good business opportunities have already been discovered? That to make real money, you'd need a genius idea or a huge investment? The truth is, there are highly profitable businesses that most people overlook. And the best part? Many of them can be started with little money and have massive growth potential. If you want to break free from the traditional path, build your own income source, and even turn a simple project into something big, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you 15 highly profitable businesses that few people know about. These are innovative ideas with growing demand, and they could be your ticket to financial independence. Some of them you can start in your free time, while others could turn into a thriving business. But here's an important warning. If you want to change your financial future, you need to take action. Watching this video alone won't change anything. Execution is key. So stay with me until the end, because your next big opportunity might be closer than you think. Many people want to start their own business, but don't know where to begin. Others believe they've already missed the best opportunities, thinking that only those who got in early succeeded. And then there are those who believe they need a lot of money to start a profitable business. But the truth is, new opportunities arise all the time, and those who pay attention to market trends can catch them before the majority. Want an example? A few years ago, hardly anyone talked about reselling digital products, renting out equipment, or editing short-form videos. Today, these are incredibly lucrative areas for those who recognize the trend at the right time. So now, I'm going to show you 15 highly profitable businesses that few people are exploring. And the best part? Many of these businesses can be started with little investment. I'll explain what each business is, why it's profitable, and how you can get started. The first idea is digital micro-franchises. Unlike traditional franchises, which require a high initial investment, there are digital micro-franchises that can be started for much less and operated 100% online. The rise of digital products, online courses, and service-based businesses has made this model more accessible than ever. Getting in early could secure you a steady stream of income without the need for a physical location. Another great opportunity is creating and selling niche products on Amazon. Instead of trying to sell generic items and compete with big brands, you can identify specific niches and sell products tailored to a targeted audience. The advantage here is that Amazon's fulfillment system can handle inventory and logistics for you, eliminating the need for a warehouse. If you have a passion for technology, one booming market is editing short-form videos for social media. With platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts exploding in popularity, many brands and content creators need high-quality short videos but lack the editing skills. You can offer this service affordably and scale it by working with multiple clients. Another powerful idea is managing content creators. Many influencers have a large audience but don't know how to monetize their presence effectively. You can act as an agent, connecting creators with brands, negotiating sponsorship deals, and helping them scale their income. This business requires zero initial investment, just strong networking and industry knowledge. For those interested in e-commerce, domestic dropshipping is an exciting alternative. Instead of relying on long shipping times from overseas suppliers, you can work with local suppliers to deliver products faster and provide a better customer experience. This approach minimizes risk and gives you a competitive advantage. Another high-demand service is managing paid ads for small businesses. Many companies know they need to advertise on platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram, but they lack the expertise to run profitable campaigns. If you master paid traffic strategies, you can offer this service as a freelancer or even start a digital marketing agency. If you're tech-savvy, consider automating business processes. Many companies still rely on manual, time-consuming tasks that could easily be automated with chatbots, email sequences, and integrations between platforms. Creating customized automation solutions for businesses can generate significant profits. Another growing market is AI-generated content for businesses. With tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney becoming more advanced, companies are looking for ways to automate their content creation, including product descriptions, scripts, and even images. If you learn to use AI strategically, you can offer this service and charge premium rates. If you enjoy customization, on-demand product printing is a great business model. T-shirts, mugs, posters, and even accessories can be personalized and sold without holding inventory. Print-on-demand platforms handle the production and shipping, so you only need to focus on marketing and design. Another opportunity is consulting for online presence optimization. Small businesses need a strong digital presence, but many don't know how to improve their profiles, optimize SEO, or create engaging content. If you understand digital marketing, you can offer this service with minimal startup costs. If you have extra space, you can explore renting out equipment or event spaces. Many people look for short-term rentals of cameras, drones, or lighting equipment. Additionally, small aesthetic spaces are in high demand for photo shoots and private events. The digital course and online education industry continues to grow. If you have expertise in any field, you can create an online course and sell it to an audience eager to learn. The e-learning market is worth billions and is expected to keep expanding. Another lucrative idea is offering niche-specific mentorship. People are willing to pay for personalized guidance in areas like productivity, marketing, and investing. If you have experience in a particular field, you can structure a mentorship program and charge for one-on-one or group coaching. If you enjoy productivity and business efficiency, you can offer workflow optimization services. Many companies struggle with inefficient processes, and if you can implement productivity techniques, automation, and better management strategies, you can charge businesses for your expertise. Finally, an innovative and accessible business idea is developing low-code applications. Today, there are platforms that allow you to build apps without deep programming knowledge. Small businesses are willing to pay for custom applications that solve specific problems, and you can provide this service even if you're not a developer. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these ideas caught your attention the most? Comment below and let me know which one you'd try first. Also, if you want to learn how to turn one of these ideas into a real business, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because in the next videos, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. We just went through 15 business opportunities that could change your financial future. But what will define your success isn't how much money you have right now. It's the actions you take from this moment on. So don't let these ideas pass you by. Pick at least one and start working on it today. If this video helped you, leave a like, share it with someone who needs this information, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next content. I'll see you in the next video.